everybody, I'm back for a video and you'll see I have two packages here. One says Chic Sparrow and the other says Jet Pens, but they have something very similar in common. So let me first take this out. I like that. I do have one more thing coming from Chic Sparrow, and I think it shipped yesterday, so maybe there will be a video next week about Chic Sparrow. Or if you've seen my recent videos, that I've been using these two beautiful notebooks. This is a, not buttered toffee passport, and this is a creme black beauty in the personal size. I've been, for the last 2 months, January and February, I've been using these two sizes pretty consistently. There was a brief period of time I did have these inserts in a B6 Slim as well, and I like that too. But I've been using these two notebooks exclusively since I've got them, and it made me realize, one, I really still do like the personal size. Let's just see what we've got here. So this is like what they have. Their warning for the leather care. Right there, their leather care tells you to visit their webpage for more information. Their business card. The Chic Sparrow feather. Sometimes you get one that says Chic Sparrow, sometimes you don't. But then look at this cute one. It says stay sweet, and it's a little cupcake. So I'll put those in my journal. So let's start with this one. As you can see, it's a larger size. And I had this leather in the pocket size, but pocket isn't really my favorite size. Passport and like personal standard B6 Slim, those are my favorite sizes. But if you look, this is a Chic Sparrow, and it is in the Pelican leather. I had it has such a unique feel and a unique smell. I had it in the Pocket Deluxe, and I don't have a personal with like the card pockets. So I decided, since I had sold that to someone that was really wanting one, I decided to get a personal with the card pockets, since I've never had one with those card pockets before. I mean, just look how. So there's the one pocket here, and a pocket here. And one thing I loved about this leather is it's like waterproof. It's a little bit firmer, especially when you compare it with the creme, but it does soften, and it will slightly change, like if see how I'm making the spine a little bit softer, the color will change just a smidge, but not much. I mean, look at that. Any other notebook like the Darcy would, really change. So let's put some of this stuff that I have in my I'm gonna have to cut that out because I've been not talky. So there's one of my inserts. Oh. Here's an insert in a dashboard. I'll use this one. And I haven't really done anything with the dashboards. They're just, I got a couple of little stickers and Simon from Coco Daisy. And these dashboards are actually from the 1407 planners located out of Ohio. And this should, yes, be able to fit back there. So, I love the feel of it. It kind of reminds me of the feel of the Roadrunner and Caribou leathers that Sojourner has. So there's that. That's the first little item I got. And this right here. So here is a Chic Sparrow that I got from Jet Pens. I like that it has an elastic out of the back. And so you'll see this is, oh, and look, it does have one of their business cards too. So an extra little business card. This is a leather I've never had. And also, you guys, if you get one from Jet Pens, and they still have quite a few of the Pemberly in the different colors, which they don't have anymore on the Chic Sparrow webpage, because I think they're getting ready to announce new things for the summer, maybe. But I've never had a Pemberly leather notebook before. So what I understand is it's the Mr. Darcy leather that's been like heated and tumbled and I don't know. Kind of like, you know how a lot of people take their Darcys and do that to them? I think that's what is professionally done with the Pemberly by like big machines. So this is the beautiful Bella leather, but it is so soft. Look how soft that is. Yeah, that's fuzz. So this is a pocket size notebook. What I had thought of doing, since everyone knows I'm a big fan of the Passport. Now you can see this Chic Sparrow Passport. Let me pull everything out. I don't have much stuff in here. The Chic Sparrow Passport really isn't that much taller than the, or the pocket isn't much taller than the Passport. So something I had thought of doing was just trimming off that much and, you know, putting in new holes. Or, since they are so close in size, just thought of using this pocket with some Passport and some pocket inserts. We'll use this one as the third one. Here's the second one. And here's the first one. So that's one thing. Or I thought, where are my pockets? Here's a Chic Sparrow pocket in the Gemini leather, and it was in the, it was called London Fog. And so these are actual field note size. So what I had thought of doing was doing kind of a mixture of the two. Putting in field note size and Passport inserts. Or actually, since that's a zipper pouch, you know, I put in, oh, I think this is the one that's, yeah, this is field note size. I could put in one of those, and since this is my budget tracker, I've got to keep that with me. And then I could take that out, put in my March monthly, get rid of those receipts. So there's my March Cocoa Daisy, where I keep track of my days. Here's my monthly, and it is, oh my gosh, look how soft that is. So squishy. But I probably wouldn't use this. Oh, actually I would, because there's just Post-it notes of old ideas. Oh, it's got a few things. A couple of recipes in there. And some oil stuff. But yeah, so I just wanted to do, sorry, I've got Traveler's Notebook galore, and this one is one that I got from Monique at Lady Falcon Traveler. Well, I actually didn't get it from her. I got it from the Buy Sell group. And it's kind of distressed, and it has this French text on it and beautiful bookmarks. Because I don't use the pocket. I've grown so accustomed to the passport. I mean, I've been using a Traveler's Notebook almost exclusively, actually exclusively, since the end of 2013, 2014, when I got this one. This is my very first Traveler's Notebook. It is a Midori, and you'll see it says Midori, made in Thailand. So it's like original, and you can see all the wrinkling that it has. Now I have conditioned it once or twice with the Midori conditioner. There's the bookmark, and here's a Midori. See that? Actually, I think there'll be something in the back. Yeah, it says Midori, so it's even before they changed everything over to Traveler's Notebook. This is their sketch paper. I'm such a fan of the passport because this, or even this, see, it's not much bigger. It just fits so easy into my wallet. I mean, as a wallet into my pocket if I have to run errands. But I'm finding, because of my teaching schedule is a lot busier this year than it has been the last couple of years, I've been needing more space. And so I've been using the passport, the stuff that I have now in here. I've been kind of like doing double duty, writing stuff in here, and then also having this with me as I go. So I've been carrying these two notebooks everywhere, and I haven't made the jump to abandon my passport because I just love the portability. Like today we had an education concert in the morning, and all I had was this, but it had everything that was in both of my notebooks, so I could, plan my schedule with that. So I think I'm going to spend March as well doing the same thing, using the two, passport and personal size, and just seeing which am I really gravitating towards. So I just thought I'd share a quick little look at the two new beauties that arrived today, and it's just so smooth and so firm, and I remember it was waterproof, so I could, be not as fragile with it. And then this is my first Pemberly, which is just so stinking soft, and it has such a different smell. If you're one of those people that loves the smell of leather, go for a creme, go for a creme brulee, go for a black beauty, go for, the dark chocolate. They have that, you walk into like a leather boot store, they have that type of a smell that's just intoxicating, or at least I think is intoxicating. But these are like, see how much lighter that will be, and thinner, and it's much more pliable, especially than this. So I do have one more Chic Sparrow coming. It'll be coming, it shipped yesterday, so I'll probably have it sometime next week. So you can see it's something a little special that I ordered, and I'll be excited when it arrives. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will link Chic Sparrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.